Alrighty, woo! Got so many accessories. Alright, this video is not going to be a normal video. Actually, I'm going to need your participation to find out which accessory I need to use. So last night I got a package in the mail and it was with all these white boxes. Everyone except for the expansion kit. So all these white boxes I got from PGY Tech. Actually not this one, but these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 white boxes from PGY Tech. I have all these new accessories. So I'm kind of overwhelmed with accessories for the Osmo Pocket, but I needed your feedback to help me choose which one I should make a video about. So I'm gonna go over them really briefly, and then in the comments below, please let me know which one you want me to see, review, demo, experiment with, and so forth. So obviously if I did them all, I don't think that would really do them justice. I'd rather do one at a time and do it well. So I've done the ND filters. You can see that video right up here. And I've done a video about the expansion kit. You see that video up here. I've also talked about the phone holder set, although I got a new phone holder set from PGY Tech. That may be worth trying out. And speaking of phone holder sets, the phone holder set for the PGY Tech, they also sent me this tripod mini. So these two go together, and kind of anxious to try that out. Or maybe just the tripod mini. This looks really cool, especially for vlogging or for doing some photography. Things like that. This looks awesome. I tried this microphone and that was an epic fail. Still waiting for the adapter from DJI. DJI, please send that adapter. Everyone wants it and can't get good external audio without it. So this is still on hold, so I can't do this just yet. We also have this action camera strap holder, so I could put this like on a backpack. I could put it maybe on my hat. I could put it on a shirt. Anywhere creative I could come up with, maybe a skateboard or something else like that. This action camera strap looks pretty cool from PGY Tech. Speaking of action camera, they also sent me this hand and wrist strap. This looks kind of cool. It looks like almost like a watch, like you're holding your Osmo Pocket on your wrist. That looks really cool. This one is an action camera bracket, so I guess that goes with this one or with this one, just to give you a little more room, sort of extends out. So I could use that as well. I might also use this on top of my camera as a behind the scenes type of bracket. That might work. And then of course I have my ND filters. I don't know if you want to see more videos about those. I got the Polar Pro ND filters as well. And then I also have, with the expansion kit, the accessory mount, the wireless module, which is right here holding the pocket, and then I have the controller wheel. So those are kind of all the accessories I have. It is kind of a lot of things. Also have this selfie stick I could use with the accessory mount. That's about it, guys. I'm gonna keep this video really short. Just comment below. I appreciate all the support as always, and those comments are super helpful. That way I can make videos that you like. And just to let you know, I'm kind of ramping up my channel. So my channel, I'm trying to make it more fun, try to up the production value. I'm also coming out with more videos. So I'll be coming out with videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then if I get extra ambitious, have some time, also maybe Tuesday, Thursday. So this week, obviously Thursday, and then tomorrow, Friday, again, I'm gonna come out with another video. So this week I made 4 videos. Next week, we'll see at least 3 videos. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can expect a new video from me. And to tell you the truth, I've done so much shooting, I just haven't sat down and edited a lot of the videos that I want to do. So I'm going to be doing some longer form videos, some really in-depth videos, but I'm also going to do some really short videos like the one today. So please let me know. It's super helpful. That way I can help you, you can help me, and we can keep this channel and this journey going. And I do read all the comments, so if you do comment below, I do my best to get back to you. I think I comment on every single one. If I miss you, I apologize, but I really try to do that. By the way, guys, I'm open to suggestions for how I want to end my videos. I know I've been doing this for quite a long time, but I want to switch it up. So I always say, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás. And basically in Spanish, that means always forward, never backward. And some of you people got it, some didn't, but anyway, that's what it means. I want to do something different. Today I'm going to start by telling a corny joke, and maybe I'll do that every video if you like it. If you don't, I'll stop it. But today's joke is, why did the old man fall in the well? Because he didn't see that well? Get it? You didn't see that? All right, that was horrible. Maybe I should come up with a new idea. Anyway, let me know which one you want to use, I will make a video about it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I will see you in the next video. Siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.